सो हेलो गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू जावा जैसा। और आप लोगों के लिए लेकर के आ रहा हूँ एक बहुत ही बड़ा न्यूज़, जिसमें आप लोगों के सपोर्ट से, आप लोगों के ओपिनियन से हम एक न्यू कोर्स लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं, मास्टर विथ स्प्रिंग बूट प्लस सिक्योरिटी। उसमें माइक्रो सर्विस भी कुछ कवर करेंगे। ओके, सो इसके बारे में हम लोग डिटेल्स में जानेंगे इस वीडियो में, और वन बाय वन करके मैं बताऊंगा कि क्या क्या चीज़ें कवर होने वाली है, और आप इस कोर्स को कैसे एंजॉय कर सकते हो, कैसे आप इस कोर्स को ले सकते हो, ये सारे डिटेल्स मैं इस वीडियो में दूंगा। Okay, so let's start now. I'm only going to teach these courses, which is just Spring Boot with Microservices plus security, and you know already about me, so no need to worry about it. And this is our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, so you can go and follow it. I will give the link in the descriptions. Okay. Next, we can see like I have teaching experience, and I have already teach more than 1,000 plus students who are doing job in the big MNC company through this course, and you are going to get a job in your dream company as well. And if you really want to become a good software developer, then definitely enroll in this course. Okay, 100% job support will give you. I will give you the supports of the grantee, job supports grantee, and in this course I will give you the complete guidelines also, how you can start and how you can learn each and everything. Okay, this is the course Master in Spring Boot with Security, and starting from 20 May 2024. Okay, batch start होने वाला है, and we are going to cover whatever the things I have mentioned here, overview. Okay, you can take from here, and the price of this course you can see on my website, and I will give the link of my website here also. We are going to cover complete Spring Boot interview preparations as well. I will take your interview. I will find out like what are the things you have to improve yourself, live lessons, and 24/7 support, certificates, and help to get a job also. Okay, we have a WhatsApp or Instagram, so you can check out and you can reach out. If you want to register in this course, you can go to that website javajsm.graphy.com. I will give this link in your descriptions of this video, and you can go to that website, and after that you can see all those details here below. Javajsm, become a Java developer, each and everything you can see, and below only you can see one course called Master in Spring Boot with Security. Otherwise you can directly go to the course. In the course sections of the headers you can see Master in Spring Boot Security. Okay, so this course, the actual price we have put it 1,500, but because of the people who are not able to afford it, we have put it 799 for the limited times, and after that maybe it will increase it. Okay, so this is the limited offer, 799. So if you book it right now, then maybe you got 799, later maybe it will increase. Okay, open this. Once you open this course, you can see all those details of this course, like what are the course, what are the language, and what are the topics. I have not added everything, but as of now, but later I will add one by one each and everything while teaching. Okay, this is the 799. You can see here properly we have written, and if you want to buy this course, just click on buy course for. Once you buy it, you can see the option, lots of the options we have. If you want to proceed with PhonePe or maybe the Paytms or whatever, so you can just give your details from where state you are, your email ID, your name or phone numbers, and you can enroll it. After that I will give you one link, which is a WhatsApp link. Through that you can join our community, and you can get the support from each and everything. Okay, thank you so much.